Hello all, this is Dr. Sage Breslin and this is Wisdom Wednesdays. So I'm just trying to speak to you directly, you badass bitches who are probably, sitting in the ladies' room between projects because you can't take even a moment for yourself. Listen, I know you are still kicking ass. I know you are just working your fingers to the bone, getting it all done. You're not mailing it in. But between us, I'm guessing you're starting to feel tired, or maybe not just starting. My guess is you're exhausted from having to do it all the time. So I've probably only got you for another 30 to 45 seconds. So let's try this, just wherever you are. Take a deep breath. Allow yourself just to move into your center. Right. Step a little further in. And now you're in a safe place. Step inside. Notice there's a quiet place. Just for a second, step inside and notice you. The version of you keep in the vault. The version of you that's pure, unadulterated. The version of you that is so powerful, it can probably do anything. And the version of you you've kept in the safe so that it couldn't be sucked dry, so it couldn't be taken away. All right, I don't want for that part of you to be vulnerable to the toxic people and circumstances around you. So just leave it where it is. Step out, take another deep breath. Exhale, be back wherever you are, the ladies' room, your car, whatever, between projects, between clients. And just remember, that part of you is still there. That part of you where your real mojo is, that part of you is your old soul, and it's there waiting for you. But listen, you got to do something before you pull her out of the vault and step into her immense power. You got to make it safe. And that means that whatever toxic people or circumstances or places you're in, you've got to step out. And I know if it's a toxic boss and you really need that job, then we've got to give you some hacks so that you can remain safe and on the job, even when in the presence of a narcissist. And if it's the person you go home to at night or go out to if you work at home, then we've got to talk about how you choose to live your life. This is Dr. Sage Breslin, and my wisdom for the day is remember who you are.